Ring the alarm, another sound is dying.
All you jungle hooligans and old school nutters, Sons of Jacob SOJ presents Ring the Alarm 2, Ranger and Kelly's birthday bash. On Saturday the 12th of April at the Core Nightclub, 135 Sherlock Street, Birmingham, B56NB. DJs on the night, Dr. Gashay, Donovan Bad Boy Smith, Torchman, Alpha, Principal, KJR, DJ JP, Tim Ryan, Cyber Groove, and of course Kelly himself. Masters of the ceremony, we have Super MC, MC Stylie, the one and only Impact, Major Ranks, the original Margaret MC, and of course myself, Ranger T. You can purchase your tickets online at $7.50 plus booking fee. You can purchase your paper tickets at $6.50. And remember, you're sure to pay more on the door. Ring the alarm.
All right. Nah, this is too easy. This is too easy. You know what? Sod it. All right. Competition time. Yeah, pull up, man. Pull up. I was like, man, this is too easy. We want people to go. All right, listen. Competition time again. You know the score. Track ID. First one, tune, producer. You're getting him free. All right? So I want to see it up there right now. Come, rude boy. And like I said, when I in a no water, hold on, cyber. Pull up. Boy, enough people are ask me question and this and that, you know. I'm not too going on nothing, you know, but like me say, what goes on behind the scenes goes on behind the scenes. The other day, I liked a certain fan page to show certain man them, you know, so you know the war thing, they just allow it, you get me, I love. And this girl, well, I don't know, but again, just stop it. You actually don't know what you do. Just stop right there. Halt, okay? Fix up and learn the business. Come Cyber Groove. Snap, crackle, and pop. All right, track ID. What's the name of this tune? What's the producer? Who's the producer, rather? First one, for type it up on the chat room, you're going to get him free on the 12th of April at 135 Sherlock Street, Birmingham. For Ring the Alarm, the birthday bashing. You got some old school jungle techno, some jungle, some D&B for your heart, mind, and your soul. Good vibes, yes, and let the good guys roll. What me say? Oh my days. What me say? Them things say we. No, we get mad like we don't for one point. Them things say we nice. Them shoulda think twice. No, me not drop it yet. Oh my days. Watch how Cyber go handle. Woo! Oh my freaking days. Limb by the way, how appropriate. Take out them tongue. Yes, Ram, you don't know. Cyber, you know. I told you, if you don't know about Cyber Groove and Keller, you know now. Yo, Flex, how we you do? Your SOJ fam, you don't need to enter. You getting free whatever. Oh, Ram get it, Pepper. Take out them tongue, we are gonna take out them tongue, and Mr. One by one, we are gonna lick them down. Yes, congratulations, Ram. Congo the spirit of the Congo the mind. Deep in the jungle, your heart and your mind. Mind it of your spirit and your spirit of divine. Divineness, the oneness, the all from time. Jah him of the Father, yard the sunshine. Look out of space, melanin, where you find. Me full of melanin, I go on like say you're blind. And I go on like you don't make a me don't know the time. Photon energy in this pigment of mine. You find the same energy in the sunshine. Straight back to the source of your night, don't they mind. So me not lick no crop pipe, no swine. Baseline lick to make you move your waistline. Certain frequencies reach parts of your mind. Lyrics them a take you upon the incline. But minded can't penetrate me wine. Guided by the angels of the Most High. Man, I'm a hypocrite and I go on like bonafide. I disrespect me when you didn't have me in your life. And I chat anger run, but now looking at me eye. Man, I want the PISS no side. Be big, either to the left or the right. Me the in the position, I may now stop right. One time, me did request me to start that one time. Cause I'm blessed by nature, I'm bonafide. Underhanded business can't ride. Negativity, you better park up and hide. Go back to the darkness where you reside. Somebody try to penetrate on the dark side. Come in on me presence, so me turn on the light. They never know T, I am one of a kind. Go back to the dark with the deaf and the blind. Listen. Listen. Mister. Don't know Pepper. What was that? My side, watch out. Warning. Red alert. Under this SOJ, you know you're about to get hurt. Warning. Red alert. Sons of Jacob, we are gonna fly them like bird. Warning. Red alert. Under this cyber killer, you're about to get hurt. Warning. Red alert. Sons of Jacob, we are gonna fly them like 2049. Listen. Warning, red alert. Warning. And anything me talk originated. Yeah, next man talk when me talk and then pirated. Yo, warning, red alert. Sons of Jacob, we are go. Whoa, listen, warning, red alert. Yeah, this SOJ, you know you're about to get hurt. Listen, warning, red alert. Ranger to your come, you go fly them like a bird. Warning, red alert. What we say, double? Listen, 2040 on I made it. No more depending on the alcohol and no crack habit. Still clean, you know what I mean? Even though life being trying, seeing, fear. Well, listen to the mix. Yo, somebody give me a 999. Who on the 999? I'll call for it. 99999. Pull up! Yeah, I know what you haters thought. You thought, oh, he's lost it. The first time he's not going on with nothing. Nah, man, we don't talk over vocals. No lyrics time. Come, Killer. Yo, I told you, Killer. DJ Killer, DJ Cyber Group. If you don't know about these two, get to know. Put enough big man to share, man, I tell you. You get me, Jobber? Real talk, real talk. And Engtar Adam Parks. Blessed love. All the SOJ family. Blessed love. Torchman, Styling, Impact, Blessed Love. You get me the way need. Warning, warning, red alert. One of these stranger T, you know you're bound to get hurt. Warning, warning, red alert. When my DJ come, you know we fly the light bird fly away. Warning, warning, red alert. One of these SRT, you know what guy them get hurt. Warning, warning, red alert. Yes, sunset, watch out, what we do about? 2014 and I made it. No more depending on the alcohol, none of crack habit. Still clean, you know what I mean? Even though it's been trying in this music scene, peer, fake approach, smiling appear to be down with you, so I keep them there over there, keep them bar, me not bring them near. If we bring them near, then me atmosphere, the wood on me energy like a bullet and pear. And leave me with nothing, cause them no care. So I me mind guarded, we're social artist. Me not gonna mix with them dopey boy, them terrorist. Mind guarded, we're soldier artists. We don't want to mix with them vampire terrorists. Keeping it stepping flowing after we're forward rising. In 2014, no we're going back, you know we're stepping it forward. That makes it awkward for the snake in the grass who try to make we backward. We're stepping it forward. That makes it awkward for the snake in the grass who try to take we backward. Up and onward, the battle's got the parrow. And now we live it by the standards that we know. So we mind guarded, we're soldier artists. We don't want to mix with them vampire terrorists. Warning, warning, red alert. Yeah, this SOT, you know you're about to get hurt. Warning, warning, red alert. SOT, you're coming, you know we fly them like bird. Warning, warning, red alert. SOT, you're coming, you know we fly them like bird. Cause some man ain't got no lyrics, you know. You know, to some MC, when they talk the same old lyrics, year after year, after year, after year. They say they're freestyle, they're head tapping, but they all sound the same. But, you know, when we write bars, hey! When make we rough so, SOJ, kill us home, boy, go. SOJ, Johnny Father, make we dance go. SOJ, you're gonna get headed to the cyber who are kill around the earth. What make we rough so, SOJ, kill us home, boy, so. SOJ, Johnny Father, yo. Sniper. Now we're putting the work in hard, working proper, not keeping it slack, but taking it back to the roots and culture. Tell her him a slam tune down like a wrestler, so we're elevating up and away, and like NASA, fall like SOJ, like he did up on Twitter. Close up Jacob, everything don't glitter. Shotta TV, them man, them on the Twitter. Give me the meditation, because they buy the proper, and I might get bad mind, jealous and bitter. Stand up in a corner. And it's an atta, stand on the progress, chat him at the intermitter. Between the past mistakes, him at the quitter. I see clearly now, it's a new era. Tohold Ranger, with Christianity no longer. Listen to Babylon plan like a glass window. Take out all the universe, him at the guidance there. We're Mercury off so, SOJ, kill us home boy so. SOJ, Daddy Father, make it cancel. SOJ, you could get headed to the killer or cyber round here. We're Mercury off so. SOJ, kill us home boy so. SOJ, Daddy Father, pepper your laugh. Out of my bad mind, then get left behind. Out of my bad mind, then get left behind. Out of my bad mind, they get left behind. Want a hypocrite business too bad mind. Out of my bad mind, then get left behind. Out of my bad mind, they get left behind. Out of my bad mind, they get left behind. What am I say? Out of my bad mind, they get left behind us. Man, that's like it tidy, we come down righteous. Sit up on the rhythm, in low said them fear us. That's why them a go around and a chat us. All them a chat it, we not care copy them. If they want test it, we will give them problem. We write to lyrics with paper and pen. You call out with name when we condemn them. And you know, we got plenty homegrown talent. RTA2, we got the man himself, Cybergoo, and Keller. We got the Tim Bryan. We got the original Marga MC, right? We get the Marga. We got the Alpha, one and only Alpha. From Birmingham area. Tell you, it's all about the homegrown talent. Boosting up the man, the maximum boost. JP. Not forgetting the principal, the course man. You get me, the cager. You done my bad boy Smith, you got say. Impact. Dolly, you know where you at. And also we got Super MC, one real super artist. You know. You see when Cyber put tunes together, it kind of hurt your head, you get me? Hurt your head, man. Magic, pissed up, two man, the man take their piss rough. Show me hate when I give love, switch on me like a bad dog. Bada bad dog, fighting me with a pen, yeah. So fuck that, listen to that, fuck that, listen to the track. Yeah man, big up all of the chat room, massive for real. Thank you for joining us, all the silent listeners. Going out to all our supporters, and you know what, all our haters, big up, because we're sending out love, we're not giving no bad vibes, fuck that. Yo, them say pull up. Sounds of the Blade Runner. Oh my gosh. Oh yo. Easy Paul, you don't know. Start it. Yeah man. Some article SOJ business, Sons of Jacob. I remember, red is for the color of the blood. The yellow or the gold is for the color of the sun. The green is for the color of nature, the Mother Earth. Oh my life. Get him out, I like, get him out, I like, get him out, oh, yes. Get him a pattern, get him a pattern, get him a in a ride, yes. Getting dimented and we twisted, twisted up on the rhythm and we bust them, not them foreign. Yes, we and Jazzy, but I'm with the mic and me are talking, we're amazing about that, but the rhythm make them don't twist stick. Can I hear my big chatting, fantastic, and the girl, them a talk about the romantic. Lyrics in my stretch out like elastic. Lyrics on the line still not soft like plastic. Mister? Listen. Now I know all I know, I didn't know what this was. A big up Blade Runner, big up King, Article Respect. No, I know what I know, didn't know it before. Yes, Sniper. Yeah, don't worry, chat room crew. Danny and Bigfoot are on it. You get me? Now I know what I know, I didn't know it before. Now I know it, it helps me to enjoy. Cause what I went through before didn't give me body was raw. So I get some stronger not to walk through any of them doors. But I gotta pick and choose wise, every door it ain't right. So now I think with my logic, not with my eyes. Because the loss of the eyes, loss of the flesh, pride of life, that's all them drop on your dice. So I'm taking an exit off away from Babylon mindset plus. As I'm moving and teaching, caring and sharing this knowledge that was put here for all of us to know our nature on the show when they were bow down to it, nothing to us. Instead of fussing and warring, straight gang starring, now I know what's up for moving and they for the love. All we need is some love, I tell you love, love, love. All we want is some love, I tell you love, love, love. All we need is some love, I tell you love, love, love. All the fussing and worry, blood clot, bad-minded. Tell the whole of them are better had enough. When the tip on top of the mic, I give thanks unto nature. All the people have enough love. SRJ, I come through in a Preston Shotta TV. Yes, we are right above the negativity when the fussy hold them up say no. All of us love, love, love. All we need is love, I tell you love, love, love. All I want is some love, I tell you love, love, love. Big up Sniper. Love, I tell you love, love, love. Get jungle for some. We're back in the 90s, Mary Jane at jungle fresh. If you think I lie, me a chef. You better listen to that DJ set. When me and D just wanted did a rinse off the dead. And the first time me kindly feels jungle fresh. Then me bring it back 2 years ago, me tell you yes, yes. All right, he wants to win another free entry. What's this tune? Tell me the tune, tell me the tune, tell me the tune, tell me the producer. I know, but I'm not telling ya. You gotta tell me. And then you get into RTA 3. Sorry, the next tune. Scratch that, the next tune. My bad. Nah man, me no bad, me good. You know why? We goodie, goodie. Remember, you can find out more info on Sons of Jacob at www.sonsofjacobsoj.com. That's www.sonsofjacobsoj.com. Link us on Facebook, link us on Twitter. We know we kill them quick. Boss a little boy and me say in a infrared. Current a million taught me another than me infrared.
Feeling so deep and true you just can't hide. Girl, you got to be my bride. Let love grow, them say let love stay. Let
Oh
judge
my
your love
God.
guide you right along the way.
The D-Brown
All of the
sample,
lovers
what's
are feeling
going
so
on?
me say. Rocking and you're skanking with the boss DJ. Well, I say
All
let
right.
love stay, I say let love grow. Tell you a little thing and this me want you to know. Love is like the river, it is non-stop flow.
All right, give me the
Rocking and
title of
you're
this
skanking
track
and
and the
you dance for your
producer.
toe. Ask them a question. D-Brown ask them a question. Mr. Brown ask them a question. Ask them a question, yeah. When me say ask them a question, Mr. Brown ask them a question.
Come on, give me the title of the track and the producer. You win a free entry.
Feeling so strong you cannot ignore. Girl, you know you are the one that I adore. Love you like how the sun love the seashore. And it don't really matter when me gone on tour. Feelings for you is like the rain where you pour. From the very first time you walk through my door. Each and every day me want you more and more. Me really, really, really love the way you make me feel. Intelligence with the sexual appeal. No secret between us, not conceal. It's only the true feeling shall reveal. You are the one when me want in my life. Could you be the one that's gonna be my wife? Just can't be wrong and it feels so right. Sweet conversation late in the night. Sing it, bim. Ask them again. Hear what the man say.
Be love.
Ask them a question, yeah. When me say ask them a question, yeah. What is the answer, yeah.
Be love before.
Special request all lovers worldwide. True feelings can't hide. It's a blessing from the most I provide. Think all have you ever been in love? Just like the star in the sky
Come
where
on,
you
first
grow.
person to ID this track.
Of the rainbow. Feelings for you just a grow and a grow. Tell you this already, this me want you to know. No matter where you go, me and you now live. If you want the rice, then you know me are the peas. If you want the honey, then you know me are the bees. You me want for hug, yes, and you me
And
want
big
for
up Daddy
squeeze.
Freddy,
You know
Large.
what you need for the evening.
Big up Spider, the Slip.
West Indies. Take a couple vacation overseas. Talking about the things that we want to achieve. Listening to Dennis Brown as
We got Sugar T Lion. We got Mia Jarang. We got Alex Energy and Taste Energy. I know the Fantasia massive. You get me? You don't know. All the Stoke on Trent Crow, Manchester Crow.
Tell ya. Think all have you ever been in love? Special request all lovers worldwide. True feelings can't hide.
Now we got a little production coming in by the one Cyber Grove. It's very own production, so listen. And I think this is a rough little track myself. I don't know about you, love. Listen. Have you ever killed a sound boy? Have you ever, did you ever kill a sound boy before? some boy and we kill every bun. Kill us some boy and we kill every bun. Kill us some boy for no ransom. We kill us some boy, we kill every bun. We tell you one of them come on and we lick that down. Down, 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 down. Try to get up and we box it right down. Down, down. From 90 long time, we know what we have the crowd. Oh, getting walked round here. Proper pause. Some SOJ production coming out now. Production by the Cyber Groove. The track's not even finished yet, but it's done rough. Next one, a production called So Nice by Unison on the Keller. Listen up. Keller, alongside the Unison, thing called So Nice. Don't know what time it is. Some little fool, don't know what time it is. Some idiot, don't know what time it is. Oh, you got this a veteran knowing that the business. Some fool, don't know what time it is. Some squash, don't know what time it is. Some idiot, don't know what time it is. Oh, you gonna. Where were you? Back in the day, yes, bro. When the MC on the song, when I'm called one love. Where were you? Back in the day, yes, sir, Ross, when we killed enough sound in the Antwerp Park. Some fool don't know what time it is. Some idiot don't know what time it is. Some top squash don't know what time it is. Oh, you're gonna this a veteran in the business. Some little fool don't know what time it is. Idiot, you don't know what time it is. Some little gal don't know what time it is. Oh, hey gal, tell me something. Where were you? Back in the day, bro, when the MC on the sound and with them car one love. In the 1981, back in the day, bro, turn up on the stuff. When the people them love, where were you? When we did a Gwanda, a kill enough sound in the Antwerp park, where were you? When we used to empty down a quit, when the road recruits and break up the one the best, where were you? When we bust it up in Dreamscape, when we had it just funny, just back up the rain, where were you? When we bust it Euphoria, we'll get jungle fresh just in the era, where were you? When I used to jump up on this, in a Plymouth, in a dance planet, where were you? You were nowhere to be seen, so stop running about like a rocket siren. I can't stop K-Jar, SOJ Collective. Now there's a K-Jar one rough DJ and a rougher producer still. I get on the 1, 2, 3, I get on the microphone checker. Microphone checker, I get on the microphone checker. 1, 2, 3, I get on the microphone checker. 1, 2, 3, I get on the 1, 2, 3, 4, for sure. I get on the microphone checker. 1, 2, 3, I get on the microphone checker. 1, 2, 3, I get on the microphone checker. Style away you want to miss a style you want go get her. When Cyber Groove and him and Prince off the Dexter. With killer back to back are rinsing off the Dexter. Ranger to the CEO, me live and direct upon the dresser. Mr. The Lion. And big up all the Nottingham crew, the Mansfield crew, the Chesterfield crew. You know who I am. I'm that man with a master plan. When you're thinking to make around, ho, yeah, yes I can. You know who I am. I'm that man with a master plan. Now me coming, don't know with the old school, the sound of pattern. Thank you, Papa. Thank you. Long time is silent, lyrics and tech. Get big off and you can ask for no respect. But my time to shine, so back them to check. Bad man on the back for them, no progress. One like them, who not have no intellect. Perfectly speaking. You say? And you know, we don't fear no guys. We certainly don't fear no girls. And we don't fear no bad mind neither, listen. Sounds of the Armitage Jam coming up. SOJ Collective. To the Armitage stand, no fear. Mister, you get me, Paul. to the artist chant, SOJ Collective, listen.
But someone will have to stand up for the truth, that justice be needed, and equality for every man. No fear, no flesh, no fear, no flesh, no fear, no flesh. No fear, no flesh, no fear, no flesh, no fear, no flesh.
I'm going out to the black one, the white one, the China one, the Asian one, the short one, the tall one, the slim one, the fat one, each and every one, man.
No fear, no flesh, no fear, no flesh, no fear, no flesh. Ah, yes. No fear, no flesh, no fear, no flesh, no fear, no flesh.
Wide awake now, Dobber.
Ah, yes. No fear, no flesh, no fear, no
And time just flow, man.
no fear, no flesh.
So we're having fun, we're having fun.
Ah, yes. No fear, no flesh, no fear, no flesh, no fear, no flesh.
Yes, pure vibes for real. Got another KJR selection coming up. For all who like the consciousness. The consciousness awareness. Oh my days, for all who like the consciousness awareness. This one, next one for you by the KJR. Hey, mister! Alright, we run this one already, you know, but we have to run it on the KJR track. What we do? Congo the spirit and the Congo the mind. Deep in the jungle, your heart and your mind. Mind into your spirit are divine. Divineness, the oneness, the all from time. Shot him at the hard and yard the sunshine. Look out of space, melanina where you find. Me full of melanina, go on like say you're blind. And I go on like you don't because me don't know the time. Both on energy in this pigment of mine. You find the same energy in the sunshine. Straight back to this house, I don't never come in all in no crap fight. No, I'm quiet. Baseline lick, you make you move your waistline. High frequencies reach parts of your mind. The rings never take your body in. Bad mind is can't penetrate my mind. Guided by the angels of the Most High. Stand about the fuck and I go on like bonify. And this is the creator when it happening on me life. And I chat bang around but now looking on me eye. Man, I want to take the PISS move side. Baby, you got to the left or the right. They get in my position and me stop right. One time I was depressed with a spot that one side. Cause I'm blessed by the Father and bonafide. Underhanded business ain't not right. Negativity, you better park up and hide. Go back to the darkness where you reside. Somebody try to penetrate from the dark side. Come in on my presence for me turn on the light. They never know T, I am one of a kind. So back to the dark with the deaf and the blind. Some people lava but the SOJ are right. Some people lava but the SOJ are shine. Along with the side I good there by my side. Easy double and you enjoy the ride, yes. And then you know say refresh for all of the to all of the two jungle fresh. The lyrics that you want and that you are gonna get. Yeah, man. Come here to listen. We have lyrics like the beach of sand, you know. But it's not about pure bars, 24/7. Sometimes you have to let the music speak, you know. You get me? Long time in style and lyrics them take. Get pick off for international respect.
Of your subconscious fears transform to your conscious awareness.
And Have to be the Serum VIP mix. Boy, Silver, I never even see another chat room, you know, but big up, brother, respect. Don't know.
And the girl them want it. And the girl them want it, want it, want it, want it. And the girl them want it.
Big up the Master Groove, for real.
And the girl them want it, want it.
Big up Marky Mark, hang tight. Big up the Torch, man. And for all of those who are going through lust right now, our thoughts are with you, you get me? For all of those who are suffering ill health, we bid you a speedy recovery, real talk. And do you notice all my bars sound different from the last one? Mister! That's Keller right there, that's Cyber Groove. Not about the music, yo. Big up MC Lucky and the New Perception crew, all London massive. Going out to all the USA massive. Worldwide massive, Europe massive. It's the Shotta TV, boy.
And the girl get wanted. And the girl get wanted.
I remember we got a full takeover coming up in about 2-3 months, so we're keeping posted on that.
And the girl get wanted, wanted, wanted.
Oh, I never realised that was you know, Silver. Yeah, man, large up, brother. I'm gonna give you a call next week. I ain't spoke to you in a while, you get me? Need to catch up, need to start out something. Get me to a pepper.
And the girl get wanted. And the girl get wanted, wanted, wanted. And the girl get wanted.
Sounds of the Luna bass. Big box in your face. My DJ, yes. Me love all your flex. We are just me the pon the set. No me live on direct. With the killer butter back with cyber over, make them fret them should I know from, yes. I am one of the best from when I used to tear up quest, but now me come fresh. And it can step in on me, weird them get a federation lyrical dead coming out take no tech. Live and direct, this is not a tape or a cassette. Where you can come below on Shotta TV internet. How we originate the thing called yes, Jungle Fresh from way back, yes. When we drop it on the Dreamscape set. My life, Lord of mercy. Help with Father. Help with Mother Nature. Them DJ just throw down some killer tune. Killer tune, killer tune. Yes, Flex, you don't know. Cyber Groove and the ones and twos. And Kellen have no time for lose. Start it, pissed off. Two money man take the piss prop. Show me hate, wanna give love. Switch on me like a bad dog. Better, bad dog. Bite me, wanna fed you. Wanna bite the hand that fed you. Really, me, you want more? Okay, you want gonna store. Think you're smarter on the ball. Master, maximum, yeah, minimal. They're maximum, then minimal. I rest in the boat, so yeah, I'm gonna go. I'll be real, judge the issue. Rough neck, general. When I'm gonna mad them up with the truth from yesterday with this disciple. And the father said, make them power. Me, they cannot handle. For the biggest mentality. Laughable, predictable, that you're bad, they go down to the good negative mindset, ironical. They're about to stumble, SOJ, we keep it humble, foundations are total, like recall your crumble. No, they got them up humble, in the drum and bass and jungle. Tech man, feed dongle, when man another T-bungle. Acting like my rival, when man another T-bungle. Acting like my rival, paying love back with evil. Spread of them, none of them but afraid of them, no more me, not depend for them. Spread of me, you're not right, and never ever with no problems. They give it a man and I slew them, your bars I can't correct them. Spread of the man and the threat, I can't confuse them. To be honest, if I had enough of them, they love it, they put your venom. And the mongoose will just snake them, like God fast me, bond them, not try to execute them. Can't have two bulls, sit down in a one pen. The wee one I go lead, the strong one I lead them. Yes, SOJ, we are gonna be a boy problem. Think called the Just Do by the Master Room, SOJ Collective. And for a full list of the artists on the SOJ camp, just go to the website www.sonsofjacobsoj.com. And remember, ring the alarm the 12th of April, the birthday bash, mine and Keller's birthday bash. You got the Gashay, you got the Donovan Bad Boy Smith, you got the Principal, the Torchman, the Alpha, the Cager, Cybergroup, Tim Ryan, Killer, JP, Super MC, Marga MC, Impact MC, myself Ranger T, and the Styly, Major Rank Shina C. Get him out, that's celebrity, whoa! And because we know some of you like to hear a set with no MC, there's gonna be at least 2 sets, no MC, MC free. Cater for everybody, you get me? SOJ doing it different from the rest. When I follow no trend, no one, we set the trend, yes. So spread the word, you heard, the 12th of April, ring the alarm, RTA2, the birthday bash, gotta be pure vibe.
Do not be wedded forever to fear.
Any SOJ artist not on the flyer, you wanna come, just send me an inbox, send Pepper inbox, you're down. Your name's down, you can't come in.
You may have the courage to look up and out and upon me, the rock, the river, the tree, your country. No less to Midas than the mendicant, no less to you now than the mastodon then. Here, on the pulse of this new day, you may have the grace to look up and out and into your sister's eyes.
And you know,
and into
Pepper,
your
I really
brother's
want to
face,
announce the
your
latest
country,
SOJ artist, you
and
know,
say
but
simply,
you're going to have to wait
very
till next
simply,
week.
with
You're going to have to
hope,
wait.
each new hour
Gonna have to
holds
wait.
new chances for new beginnings. The horizon leans forward, offering you space to place new
And
steps of
big
faith.
respect going out to Wolfdale Pro, our endorsers. See? Coming up talkers. We just do what we do and we just keep it humble. Shallow like that. Bringing up all crew, all artists, doing your thing nice and decently. Not watching what our next person's doing. Just do your thing, keep it stepping. No matter with the bad minded. Because when you bad mind somebody, you're taking focus off yourself. Just do your thing, do it good. You see the water in the contention. We're not in it. Big love to Brasco, you know. When it comes to give you like an MC bashy, we came to entertain ya. It's all about the DJ, it's all about the music. Listen. A long time we started on lyrics and tech. Get big off for international respect. But my time to shine, so what about them to say? SOJ, Ranger T, Cyber, Keller, big up Danny, and Bigfoot. See ya, peace.
Ring the alarm, another sound is dying.
All you jungle hooligans and old school nutters, Sons of Jacob, SOJ, presents Ring the Alarm 2, Ranger and Kelly's birthday bash. On Saturday the 12th of April at the Core Nightclub, 135 Sherlock Street, Birmingham, B56NB. DJs on the night, Dr. Gashay, Donovan Bad Boy Smith, Torchman, Alpha, Principal, KJR, DJ JP, Tim Ryan, Cyber Groove, and of course, Kelly himself. Masters of the ceremony, we have Super MC, MC Stylie, the one and only Impact, Major Ranks, the original Margaret MC, and of course myself, Ranger T. You can purchase your tickets online at $7.50 plus booking fee. You can purchase your paper tickets at $6.50. And remember, you're sure to pay more on the door. Ring the alarm.